morning students. Welcome to our mathematics class. In previous classes we learned about factors and its properties and divisibility tests and rules. Today I am going to teach you various types of numbers. Are you ready? Okay. Prime numbers and composite numbers. We are going to learn today prime numbers and composite numbers. What is a prime number? Numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like numbers are having only two factors. So these types of numbers are called prime numbers. Okay. Next, composite number. The numbers which are not prime are called composite numbers. Composite number has more than two factors. Okay. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. These all are composite numbers having more than two factors. Students, please see the board. All 1 to 100 numbers I have written. We have to find out between 1 to 100 how many prime numbers are there. What are the prime numbers between 1 to 100? Okay, are you ready? Please see the board. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number because 1 having only one number, one factor. And 2, 1 and 2 only the factors. 1 is a common number. We know all the numbers having 1 as a common factor. Okay, 1 and the number itself here. That numbers are known as prime numbers. Next, 3. 1 and 3 only. So 3 also a prime number. 4 is a composite number. 1, 2 and 4 are the factors. That means more than two factors. That is why I have crossed. So what we have to do here, all 2's multiplication, multiples crossed. All 3's multiples crossed. All 4's multiples crossed. Okay, the remaining numbers, whatever the numbers are remaining here, that is the prime numbers. Shall we check? 1 to 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. And 11 to 20, 11 and 13 are the prime numbers. 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers. Okay? 21 to 30, 23, 29 are the prime numbers. 31 and 37. 41, 43, 47 are prime numbers. Here in this row, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and between 90 and 100, what is the one and only prime number? 97. So these all encircled numbers are the prime numbers. This exercise all you have to do at home. Make a grid, 10 columns and 10 rows. Write all 1 to 100 numbers and find out all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, all of you? Okay, students, I will show you one video for clearing the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay?
Prime and composite numbers. Introduction. Meeta and Mona are best of friends. Meeta is younger than Mona. Their difference in their ages is the first even number. Can you guess the difference in their ages? Answer: 2 years. Their ages are two consecutive two-digit prime numbers. The sum of their ages is 24. Can you find their ages? Meeta is 11 years and Mona is 13 years. We speak about numbers all the time. We have learned about the factors and multiples of a number. We also understand odd and even numbers. Let's brush up our memories. Here are a few definitions. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Natural numbers together with the number 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, are called whole numbers. Symbol 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 are used to write all other numbers. These symbols are called digits. A digit in a number has a face value and a place value. A number that is one more than the given number is called the successor of a given number. A number that is one less than the given number is called the predecessor of the given number. What are prime numbers? Let us learn about them. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1, which is divisible only by itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on are prime numbers. These numbers have no factors other than 1 and the number itself. A composite number is a whole number greater than 1, which is not a prime. That means it has more than 2 divisors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and so on are composite numbers. Keep at your fingertips. Here are some facts that you will have to use repeatedly, so keep them at your fingertips. A prime number has exactly 2 factors, the number 1 and the number itself. A composite number has more than 2 factors. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the only prime number which is even. A Greek mathematician in the 3rd century BC found a simple method for finding prime numbers. His name was Eratosthenes, and the method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. We can use this method to find all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. We proceed like this. Step 1. Make a number table as shown on the screen. Step 2. Circle the first prime number, that is 2. Step 3. Cross out all the multiples of 2, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. You can see all the even numbers being colored differently in the grid. Step 4. Circle the next prime number 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3 that have not already been crossed out. So you can see 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, 39, etc. being colored differently. Step 5. Circle 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5 that have not already been crossed out. So we color 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, etc. Step 6. Continue this process till every number is either circled or crossed. Step 7. The numbers in the circles are the prime numbers. Using the process that we used while finding prime numbers from 1 to 100, would you like to identify the prime numbers between 101 and 150? Activity. Prime target. Do you recognize these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on? These are prime numbers. They are divisible by only two numbers, 1 and themselves. One unproven math rule says that every even number you can think of is got by adding two prime numbers. Example, 6 is equal to 3 plus 3. 20 is equal to 13 plus 7. 204 is equal to 101 plus 103. Which two prime numbers, when added, equals these even numbers?
Okay students, today's class is over. Today's homework 4.2 exercise from application book, B, C and D exercise. Once again, exercise B, C, D. Application book number 4.2. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.